Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Webster. I'm a chiropractor and nutrition expert in Plano, Texas. I work with a lot of people who need guidance on improving energy and boosting performance. I've worked with elite athletes such as Major League Baseball players, college, and a lot of NFL football players, and a lot of the combine guys that are going into the NFL. I've worked with professional golfers. I've worked with bodybuilders, which is quite interesting, I must say. I've worked with All-American college wrestlers and college basketball players. I've yet to work with an NBA star, but I would love to work with like LeBron someday. I think that'd be pretty fun. But the truth is, I prefer to work with amateur athletes, people who like to run marathons and compete in obstacle or endurance or these warrior type events. I know there's one near us called the Tough Mudder, where they get all muddy and they do these obstacles. But anyway, all of these people see me with the goal of improving performance without sacrificing overall health, and I think that's really important. In my endurance athletes and runners that I work with, I've noticed two really important areas that we need to address. One being recovery, and two being muscle maintenance or preventing muscle loss. Muscle loss can happen really easily when you're training long hours, and recovery is the key to increasing workout intensity and extracting the maximum benefit from your workout. So with these two factors in mind, recovery and preventing muscle loss or muscle maintenance, I typically find that both pre and post-workout protein is very helpful. Protein taken before running or before working out has been shown in studies to improve performance as well as help spare the athlete from excess muscle breakdown. Pretty important. But this only helps if the protein is easy to digest and easy to absorb since it's taken before your workout. So eating a T-bone steak right before your workout, it's out. It's not going to work very well at all because it's pretty heavy and it's difficult to digest. So protein after your workout, post-workout protein, has been shown to help you recover faster, which allows you to train harder and train longer. That means you're going to get more out of your workouts that way. So I'd like to introduce you to two types of protein that should be able to meet the needs of just about any endurance athlete who wants to get more out of their bodies, but while also taking care of their bodies. So this first one is complete paleo protein. This is my personal favorite because it's really easy to digest and absorb, and it also tastes great. It's derived from beef bone broth, which is loaded with nourishing proteins such as collagen that help your body heal. Now, if you're thinking that sounds kind of weird, derived from beef, don't worry, it tastes awesome. Given that you prefer or like rich chocolate or rich vanilla. This is nice and rich, and it is delicious. So for this protein, I recommend using a blender or using a hand mixer. At the very least, a shaker bottle with one of those wire whisk balls. Here's an example of that. Here's a shaker bottle. I don't know if you can see the wire ball in there, but this works. This is the very minimum that you'd want to use with the complete paleo protein. It's pretty thick. Stirring with a spoon, just putting a scoop in water with a spoon, it just won't quite cut it with the complete paleo protein. So that's it as far as the paleo protein. Now, for those of you thinking, look, I don't care how delicious it is, the rich chocolate sounds nice and all. I don't care how easy it is to digest. I'm not eating because I'm a vegetarian. Well, I understand, but I've got you covered as well. So this is the second protein. You should get a little better view of that. This is complete pea protein. It's 100% vegan, full spectrum protein made from green peas. While it isn't quite as potent as the complete paleo protein, it's close enough that vegans and vegetarians no longer have to worry about getting enough high quality protein. In fact, The bioavailability of complete pea protein is right up there with some of the best proteins on earth, like the complete paleo protein or like raw whey protein. So it's really good. Complete pea protein is less rich tasting with a bit more of what I would call a malty chocolate or a malty vanilla flavor. And it mixes a bit more easily than does the complete paleo protein. You might find that a spoon will do the trick with complete pea protein, but I would still suggest one of the shaker bottles with the wire whisk ball. So if you're looking to get a bit more out of your hard training sessions, you should try one of these proteins. You can find more information about these two great products at rawwheyprotein.com. That's rawwheyprotein.com. And if you use the code RUN, you'll receive 5% off your entire order on any of the products. That's 5% off if you use RUN, and that's 5% off the lowest listed price on the website, including sale prices. I think this will help give you the performance edge that you've been looking for. I'm Dr. Webster for Raw Whey Protein. Have a great workout.